AI is not coming. It's already here. And it's not just replacing jobs, Hassan, it's replacing humans who refuse to evolve. From chatbots to self-driving cars, from art to algorithms, everything that can be automated will be. And if you're not adapting, you're next. We were raised to chase comfort, but comfort is a trap. While you're binge watching, AI is learning. The more we numb ourselves with distractions, the more we hand our future to machines. Technology is evolving at lightning speed. What took 10 years before now takes 10 months. And if you're not learning faster than AI is growing, you'll wake up obsolete. AI can replace workers, but not thinkers, not creators, not leaders. If you want to stay ahead, learn what AI can't do. Creative thinking, emotional intelligence, communication, adaptability, human leadership. Learn how to use AI, not fear it. Make it your tool, not your threat. Don't compete with AI, collaborate with it. Train your mind to be irreplaceable. Your future isn't about surviving the rise of AI, it's about thriving because of it. They're not teaching this in school, but you just learned it here.